you guys? I hope you're well. Welcome to Maggie Mwangi's channel. Yeah, it's a sunny morning and we are so happy to have a beautiful day. So I woke up a few hours ago and I thought, why can't I make a vlog for you guys to watch? So later in the day, I'm going to walk around. I'm going to show you around. We have a beautiful river across this place and I hope you're going to love it. It was raining the whole night. It has been raining and I know that place must be having some water. So I'll walk you around and I hope you guys are going to enjoy. Welcome to my channel. Some stagnant water. Right here we have a borehole. I think here it's where the cows or the goats normally drink their water. This stuff right here, I don't know whether how to call it. And then we move this side. This is a borehole where people fetch their water. Right here, it is made by the county government, I think so. So the society, the community takes their water there. Have some sink over there. Maybe when you want to wash something, you can wash, then people fetch their water here. From this one, I think you push this thing and then you fetch water from here. Just come and leave this on here like this, and then get some water. Oh, it's so nice. So it is salty water. That borehole has some salty water. Truth. Yay! Have something here. Something like a waterfall. I think this one is man-made. Something like a man-made area. The video is not so clear. I've come when it is in the evening. It's in the evening. Right there. Not much water. Just a little water. A little amount of water. Yeah. I love this place. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I don't know how it is called. What are it named? Hi everyone, I'm back here again. I'm at the river, as you can see in the background. I've come in the evening. The sun is setting on a different side, so that's why my videos are not so clear, especially the one for the river, but at least I've taken something. So I want to say thank you for watching. Please drop a comment, support this channel. I believe I'm going to be making more videos for all of us. So until next time, bye bye. Thank you. I love you.